Jamaica unite.
You don't know 876 Music. Welcome, people. Who have right us today? The artist, Jonha. You see me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What going on the fire one?
I don't know what it is, man. If I will link up with the all is a vibe, bro.
Straight. 2025, yeah, go on with some things, brother. I mean, I say, yeah, me have to find you, come link up and do a little small interview.
Yeah,
See me?
2025, that is here, bro.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is right.
Yeah, what's on that? Yeah, go out with one bag of things.
I said, I'm on 876 Music. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Why there?
You know that. One of the music that way I work on right now, that's for sure. You see me? Let me know, no? Which music I work on right now.
Well, in that tune,
Should we go to
you say, festival song. Currently, I don't know,
Jamaica unite.
Right.
Don't I get the TV vibe? Yeah, and this Wednesday, you don't know, it's another interview. So, yeah, so you don't know, the festival song, which is Vision Jamaica, more everybody will review it. Everybody will stream it for your favorite platform. So it's Jonha Vision Jamaica. Otherwise, something that you don't know, you have 10 times stronger, more than all platform produced by me. You understand me? And then you have blessings. You see, so I have quite a few songs out there, but I really have to get
Okay, yes.
so you know me, I don't know. Festivals on the
It's a unique mix with 2025.
so I see the festival song, it come in line with what I already did that, which is reggae. Yes. So we have a reggae album. It's about a thing with. And just say conscious, but not people that say conscious. Yeah.
I'm more conscious.
It's a more conscious. We don't have a problem with it because it's what man is gospel is the law. So people that say, yo, gospel, actual music.
Who know what?
They say my music at a hook too.
Yeah, which is right. So, which one of them have a video, right?
Well, 10 times stronger of a video.
10 times stronger have a video. Yes.
You have the all conscious, grass, the walk, grass.
Oh, right. That's the point.
See that done did I get a buzz from just in the street when we are shooting the video and everything. Done did get a viral buzz. So I just finished some goes. I just be draw traction. Yeah.
So tell me a couple of people we work with from before and we work, right?
Well, work with Chimney, that upon the Magnum project.
Oh yeah. The money box.
Yeah, them single was them producing song. So right, work with Chimney as a big film. Some work with Fata and Brown they call this Anchor.
Anchor. Cool. Yes.
Fata artist wise, work with Wayne Man. No Wayne Man.
Cool. Big veteran singer.
Work with Wayne Man. We had him have a song out there, right?
Cool, man. You learn stuff from him. Yes.
What if I mentor him again, man? Yes. So Wayne Man, big up Wayne Man that really was the one that is like, so what do we usually do? Like, you know, when you're like, say, my son, here, because them money is from the face. So we usually send love letter, and a big song that we usually.
Oh yeah, because one time we never have phone and ring. So we have to write the girl them love letter. Charge you one thing, you know.
The one of the area they come from.
Yeah, the area we have come from.
That's the area.
What lyrics?
Yeah, Papa and son usually farm. You know what? Me get something you the right time and send go to girl. Cause and you the girl realize that if it's right,
Anybody write them time there?
Anybody write she like you write the poem.
Some more time you just write a letter, roll it up and give one a you charge it up and say,
yeah man,
sometimes them we give them a sometimes them
good to remember that today.
So that's why we have to pick up Wayne when some of them you can write it in a poem and put some of the words on.
From them time they so realize music, you know. Them time. True.
And me also did a sample vibes when they did Bristol see and it reach out me and pick me up. You know?
Which is right.
Yeah, when that with one a song called One T-shirt and I do it for all platforms. And we have quite a few projects. The one with Wayne Wonder, Genuine. See it? The one called Genuine. So yeah, encourage everybody to
Check out the one that is Genuine.
fresh songs.
First time.
Yeah.
Jonha
And the Genuine all platforms. Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about the musical journey. You see me from when you start music and I don't know, when you realize that you have to leave the studio.
Well, it start off at a tender age when we really say, some people got studio. But we never got studio them time. Because, I look shiny,
True, and some of my time back in our days, we talk about them girls and standing down at them time. When them there, everybody can come in at the studio. We never want to sit down out and no key or sit down out and no fruit like their waste time. So in a sense, some of them time they make you shy away from the studio if you know you want. So it's something like right, so we can understand.
Shyness can take you over in a whole evening.
True.
I watch stage fright at the most. When I go on stage, I used to only for people if you have if you have good composure, you can really get you up. So many was kind of like one of the we have that stage fright there. But then I'm about to sing. So it starts from an about to so we are singing about to one day when I'm in here, you got speed. I was going bullet. You want speed. You come out about you now and I come and like say I go on the road now.
You put out your clothes and I sing.
Yeah, you call me and say, we can't over there. Systems.
True. Good man.
When he said that instantly, it's like a compliment, give me a compliment and that is like so you see that there now? Yeah, give no why.
Good man. That
encouraged me.
I say,
From first at the tender age, we had about grammar school. When we have grammar school, our accessible. Yeah, they go pop in yeah, so the journey started from there. So we start writing a song them. But we not sing it to nobody, we just write them and just love them. You see it? Yeah. We never did a perform them though. When we got high school and next day, other people. Like you not yeah.
One day you have to go out of the shell.
So yeah. So sometimes your journey might have a unique start. They say God working in mysterious ways, but a lot of things work out mysterious. And yeah. So some of my career start. And then, by years and years go by, I play football. Yeah, football was that thing where football was one of the football. And we never got a football.
Oh yeah, true. So you can grow it.
Yeah, so you can't really shine. I don't think we don't do it. Yeah. So music now a solo thing when I did it solo. So I actually start singing in church. Back shadow. Choir at the front page.
Okay.
Kind of by the side or with the road at the corner.
Yeah.
So glad we did that.
Cool. You still expose yourself in such a way that basically you master the craft and right now you deliver the craft to the world. You see me? Yes, that make me like the material, your lives, lessons and inspiration where you're putting at their music because shadow. Yes, or you even make family at the festival song.
Yeah, it's all like, about just it's all about yeah, man.
That energy. It have energy.
The words are my way. The people need here.
Right.
Because unity is people like say the direction of the country and different direction.
Yeah, it's like we're getting more technological and
technology.
we have more car. I have building, but we got backward. It's like we don't love each other anymore. You know,
Because
Jamaica unite. It's basically it's a lesson to everybody, to the world, represent the Jamaican, our people, our culture.
Yeah. So with the right, they say dance abroad, dance a yacht, we dance abroad. So,
Yeah, man.
once we are inclined, unity, we are pushing the narrative there. We are teaching you, and the kids, them, because if you notice, we being a part of social media, it's like, say, take a holy for time out from family. Yeah, it's them, they don't come there. They're not around, like, who we used to around. Marvelous. All of them sound there, because when we are play with guitar, because guitar was a part of the thing. Yeah, Chinese, yeah. That's Chinese. Enough things we can call out, that things we not going on.
Yeah, that mission. Yeah. And the other one there, I think put now a music video the other day, that we, Upscotch. Yeah, they say to myself, what I do over this? I say, somebody that like fire, so they say, yo, take a piece of the burn wood. Yeah, man. Take up the burn wood. I'm gonna start using like a char. Char the Upscotch. And if you to them and say, I want a jar rasta. They want to say, I want a jar rasta. And the burn some with the ember me using like a chalk on the ground. And then they say, on the music video, the next day we come back at the same stuff in I don't know music video and we see the video they play with the same signature.
So they show you say we
people keep them up and teach them.
Yes.
You see me?
We the people have to make sure so we teach the younger one them.
Yeah.
After
we not force on them neither.
No, just